Hi everyone, we are the manufacturer of baby playmat. Let me introduce our popular printed playmat. This is some of our popular designs here. From this design, this is Celix design, dot, monocle design, black and white line, brush design, and tribal design. This is our popular design for our own designs too. It is made by EVA foam material. It is non-toxic and waterproof. Each set includes 6 tiles. Its assemble size is 4 feet by 6 feet. 0.5 thickness provides extra comfort, allowing kids to jump, crawl, and explore freely without worrying hot floors. The mat can be used from small play corner to expensive playroom. We accept customized design. Welcome to consult. Thank you.